Choosing the right SOLIDWORKS training can feel overwhelming, especially with so many formats, course types, and package options available. This quick FAQ highlights the key differences so you can select the most effective training path for your team, your workflow, and your budget. With online training, you have a live instructor-led session that delivers the same curriculum as classroom courses, but with full flexibility to join remotely. To make online learning seamless, Visiativ can provide virtual machines on request, ensuring every attendee has access to a fully configured SOLIDWORKS environment without needing to install SOLIDWORKS locally. With on-site training, a Visiativ trainer comes directly to your premises, delivering standard training or tailored training to your data, your workflows and your setup. Perfect for teams training together or needing company-specific guidance. To make on-site delivery hassle-free, Visiativ can also provide laptops pre-configured with the necessary SOLIDWORKS tools and training files. Classroom training is held at a Visiativ Training Centre. This format offers a focused learning environment, with hands-on support from certified trainers, ideal for users who benefit from face-to-face interaction, and a dedicated space away from workplace distractions. Custom training versus standard training courses. With standard training courses, these follow the official structured SOLIDWORKS curriculum, making them the most cost-effective and reliable way to build up skills from beginner to advanced levels. They are ideal for users seeking certification-ready training. Our custom SOLIDWORKS training is built entirely around your exact needs, your parts, assemblies, industry, and internal processes, or we can tailor standard lessons to create bespoke content. So every topic applies directly to your work, and because this requires extra preparation and specialist input and custom materials, it is more expensive but delivers highly targeted results that generic courses can't match. Training passports versus buying individual courses. With training passports, you have a subscription style offering that provides access to multiple courses over a 12-month period. It's excellent for teams with ongoing development needs, organisation with mixed skill levels, or companies wanting predictable annual training budgets. With individual courses, you have a simple one-off purchase to make when you only need a specific course, such as SOLIDWORKS Essentials, or when training requirements are limited to a single topic or user. Visiativ offers a flexible range of training formats, classroom, online and on-site, backed by options like virtual machines and provided laptops to keep setup effortless. Whether you need structured learning, tailored coaching, or a cost-effective training passport, Visiativ ensures your team gets the skills they need delivered in the way that works best for you.